Hello, Namaste and Shalom. Today, me and my buddy mount on speed hike to Vashist waterfall. So let's enjoy visually this beautiful speed hike between. From my home is maximum 20-minute speed hike to the beautiful Vashist waterfall. Once you reach to this destination, you forget all the tiredness that you felt during your speed hike. Being as a mountain man, I always loved doing these beautiful hikes, jumping into the cold water and many other activities that I can do in these mountains. Sometimes as a short filmmaker, I find beautiful objects which helps me to create beautiful visuals. So whenever I got chance to come over here and wanna make the film, I never wanted to miss anything out of there. So this morning from far when I seen, I felt this might be someone's soft toy. When I went to closer, it was a beautiful artwork done by some travelers. This is much better than leaving trash behind and leaving a beautiful artwork. So on your next trip, make sure whenever you go to these mountains, you're also going to leave a beautiful artwork done by you. The valley view from this point is really magical. Then I found lots of Himalayan blueberry bushes over there and I started collecting all the blueberries. दोस्तों, ये माउंटेन ब्लूबेरी है। आपकी अपनी भाषा में इसे क्या कहते हैं ज़रूर कमेंट्स में बताएं। मेरी अपनी मातृभाषा में इसे हम कहमाली कहते हैं। कहमाली, ऐसा ही शायद इसका नाम अलग अलग भाषाओं में होगा। आप मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा। इसका स्वाद बेहद लजीज है। मैं आप लोगों के सामने से खाता हूँ और खूब मज़े लेता हूँ। वीडियो अगर आपको पसंद आई हो तो ज़रूर लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना तो बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें। थैंक यू वेरी मच। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल।